Hey guys, Dendrite here, and today we're going to be covering another tool, and it's called Meg. So Meg is a tool used for fetching lots of URLs from many different servers without overloading said servers. You can use it to fetch many paths for many different hosts. You can fetch one path for all hosts within your target list, and then it will move on to fuzzing the next path and repeating over and over. Installing it is really simple. It has no runtime dependencies, and to install it you can just run go install followed by the location. I'll have the GitHub for the tool linked in the video description below. The go install command has put the Meg binary in my Go folder. Alternatively, you can just go to the GitHub page and download a precompiled binary and place it somewhere either in your path or in user bin. To actually run Meg, you need two different files to start off with. First is a full file of paths that you want to fuzz, and the second is a file full of hosts. I'm just going to create two different files here in Vim to use with Meg. Important thing to note here, you should include the protocol, i.e. HTTPS, within your host file, and not just include the domain name, otherwise it won't work. With all the results it generates, those are all going to be outputted to a directory called out, which you can see if you run ls-l or ls-la. Now I'm going to run Meg with the verbose flag enabled, making sure to specify the paths and the hosts files. If you don't supply it with any arguments, then by default it's going to read from a file called paths and from a file called hosts, and there will also be no output. And as you can see, if we go to the /out directory, moving to the example.com folder, which were the hosts that were specified in the file, in the example file, running cat against the index file, you can see all the paths that were fuzzed as well as their results. And that is it for this video, everyone. Hope you found it helpful. Links to my online store will be below, as well as the links for the GitHub repo for Meg. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.